guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So I don't know if you guys have ever found yourself just kind of in a pickle where the decor that you have in mind doesn't really match your wall coloring and your accent. And like these curtains are custom. I don't want to do custom curtains just for a certain look. So I'm going to show you guys today how to temporarily DIY an area in your home to get a look that you desire. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a backdrop to hide this wall. So I have these backdrop stands here, got them at Amazon, so I will leave a link down below where you can find them. They're very heavy duty because the curtain that I'm going to be using from eFavorMart is heavy duty. So I wanted to get the heavy duty backdrop stands. And yeah, so we're going to start first with transforming the wall. This is a very cheap DIY. It may cost you around $200 total, maybe less. It just depends. But I think it's going to be quite fun. I've never really seen anyone cheaply DIY their home. So I'm just going to start by connecting the pieces. Very simple to follow. You just snap the pieces in to create your desired length. You want to go over here. I think if I do 4, it may be too long, so we'll see. We'll put one there. Okay, so yeah, 4 is definitely too long, so we're going to take out the third piece and just do 3. Go in here. And see, that's the problem with this stand versus the real backdrop stands. I could adjust it exactly if I had the silver poles, but I wanted to do this one kind of quick and easy. So next I'm just going to put up this white backdrop that I got from eFavorMart, and you just run it through just like you're hanging a curtain. It's really that simple.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind, the way you...
Okay, so next up we're going to transform my dining room chair. It is a khaki color, and you know, if you have like grandchildren or children and you want to keep your chairs clean, if it's a light color, or if you want to just change the color of your chairs without buying new chairs, you can definitely just use a spandex chair cover. I will leave these links down below, and it will fit onto your chair very snugly. You can connect it down at the bottom, but for today I'm just gonna do the top of the chair. If I can get this on right, and voila, we have the chair covered. A brand new black chair. So there we go. We're gonna do the other ones and start tablescaping. Okay, so now my orange wall is completely gone. Yippee. Yippee, yippee, yippee. Next we're gonna do a napkin design, and I'm just going to place the polka dot napkin down, and I'm going to lay the solid black Lemoyne napkin in between, and I want it to, the blessed napkin ring to read blessed from this way, and then I'm just going to puff it out. It's gonna be so cute on our table. See how cute that is. So for the centerpiece, we're gonna keep it very simple with the white flowers, and then to make it polished, I am going to add in some white pumpkin picks. So put one there. I could have also painted the stems like a black color if I was thinking, and a really good DIYer. But the big thing is just showing you guys how to transform your chairs and your, there you go. Okay, so next up we are going to set the table. So the first thing we're going to use is this black and white charger. I got it from Hobby Lobby, and it was $3.99 and 90% off. So I paid 39 cents for them when the spring items went on sale. We are also going to use this black plate from the Dollar Tree, and this gorgeous black salad plate from Hobby Lobby from the fall collection this year. It's the Robert Stanley collection. It just says thankful, grateful, gather, and blessed. And I am going to add a cute little pumpkin in the center, and then I'm going to add the napkin there, like such.
I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need.
So there you guys have it. inexpensive ways to DIY or make over an area in your home that you just want a little temporary fix, nothing permanent, using backdrops and backdrop stands and spandex chair covers is definitely the way to go. And it goes beyond events. You can definitely do this in your home if you just want to cover your chairs and things like that to protect them, or just to get a change in your space. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you leave this video inspired to create a space in your home that is both cozy and comfortable and beautiful for this fall for your family. Please let me know your favorite tip that I gave you guys in today's video by leaving a comment down below. And if you would like to become a part of the Lux for Less family, all you have to do is click on that subscribe button and you are in. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!